Hello. Hello. Good evening. Hello. It's nice to meet you. What is your name? Okay. What was that again? Oh, I can't hear you. Okay. Teacher Jane can't hear you. Can you hear me? Okay.
Hello.
Okay. I can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. So let me introduce myself. I am Teacher Jane.
Yeah.
And you are?
And my name is Nguyễn Thu Thủy.
Can you say it again? Can you write it down in our chat box? Okay, thank you so much. Okay. How do you pronounce this? To
Ờ, gì đây? T U T Huthui.
UI. So, how do you say it again? Your name?
Thu Thủy.
Tutwi.
Yeah.
Okay, Tutwi. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, how are you today?
Uh, I'm
Uh,
fine.
okay, you are fine. Very good. That's good to hear. So, are you excited for our lesson for today?
Uh, Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, that's okay. Now, let me share my screen, okay? Okay, Tutwi. Tutwi is a very, very pretty name. That's unique. I like it. So how old are you again? Tutwi?
What?
How old are you?
11 years old.
Oh, 11 years old. Okay. 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 Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, our topic for tonight is about what do they call you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, as you can as you can see here in the picture there are what are they?
Yeah, the family.
A family. Very good. Okay. Tutui, can you guess the family members of my family? Okay. Who is
Uh,
this?
grandfather
Very good.
and grandmother, mother, dad, brother, you, and your little brother.
Okay. Good job, Tutui. You identify the family tree. Okay, so may I ask you a question? How many family members you have in your family?
Um, my family have 5 members.
Five?
Yeah.
Okay. My family has four members. Okay, now let's have the next one. Mm-hmm. So now let's unlock the vocabulary words. Can you please read the first sentence to tweet this one?
Your nice.
Your niece.
Your niece is
Very
the
good.
daughter of your sister or brother.
Okay, very good. Your niece is the daughter of your sister or your brother. Do you have a sibling? Do you have a sister or a brother?
Yes,
How
I have
many?
I have 2 brothers.
Okay, you have two brothers. In case if your brother has a daughter or has a baby, that is
Uh,
your.
older.
Mhm. If your brother has a baby and that baby is a boy, that is your niece.
Yeah.
Mhm. So your niece is a daughter of your sister or brother. So this one, Mary is Nick's niece. Okay? So circle the correct picture. Who is Nick's niece?
Uh, is Mary.
It is Mary. Very
Yeah.
good. What is your uncle's name?
Uh, next uncle named Brett
Is
is uh
Nick.
Nick.
Yes, Tuti. Nick is the uncle of Mary.
Mm.
Okay, thank you so much for reading. Tuti, first of all, you read very, very well in English. Very good. That's good to hear. Okay, now we have another word. Can you please read this one, Tuti?
Uh,
Okay, it pronounced as nephew. Nephew.
nephew.
Oh, yes, very good. Nephew. Okay, so your nephew is the son of your sister or brother. So if your brother has a baby girl, that is your nephew. Okay?
Yeah.
So this one in the family picture, this one is a family picture. The nephew here is, oh, sorry.
Brett.
I explained it wrong. If your brother has a baby boy, that is your nephew. Okay? So, Fred. This one is Fred, the one that I circle. Fred is the nephew of Nick. So,
Nick.
Nick, yes, Nick is the uncle. Yes. Okay, so let's have a question and answer. Timmy is Sally's nephew. True or false?
It's true.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Final?
Um, because as Timmy is son of Nick.
Timmy is okay. Timmy is okay. Nick. Okay, where is Timmy? Where is Timmy? Timmy is Sally's nephew. Okay, so that one is false. Okay, now I have another question. Do your parents have nephews? Your mom and dad? Okay, does your
No.
mama and papa has a sister and brother?
Yes.
Okay, so your mom and dad has sister and brother. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, let me explain again in the previous slide. Oh, sorry. Nephew is when your brother has a son. And niece is when your brother has a girl. Okay? Okay. Vocabulary. Can you please read this word tutwi?
Campsite.
Okay, very good. And can you please read the sentence?
A campsite is a place where people can stay for a holiday.
Okay. And this one too?
We will go to the campsite near the mountain.
Have you tried camping, Tutwi?
Uh, no,
Have you tried camping like this one?
no.
I know, not yet. But do you want to try camping with your
Yes.
yeah, with your family, with your brother, with your mom and dad? Okay, I think that would be fun.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's answer the question beside the picture. Which one is the campsite?
Uh,
Picture number one or two?
two.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Tutwi. You are correct. That is a campsite. So, usually in a campsite, it located in mountain, forest, or sometimes in beach. Have you
Mm,
gone going to mountain?
mm,
Not yet.
yeah, not yet.
Okay, how about in forest? Have you tried going to a
No.
forest? Not yet as well. But how about in beaches?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like swimming?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Me too. I like swimming, but I don't know how to swim. I just enjoy going to the ocean. Okay. Ooh, there's a sentence pattern. Okay. Can you please read the sentence to Twi?
To give someone a lift means to drive them to a place for free.
Mhm. And this one?
Nick gives his sister Sally a lift to the airport.
Okay. So again, what does a lift mean?
Uh, drive them to a place for free.
Okay. You go in a place or you travel in a place for free without paying. That is a lift. Okay. So Nick gives his sister Sally a lift to airport, meaning Sally has gone to
Sally
airport with free
for free.
or yes, for free. Okay, another question. What does Nick do for his sister Sally?
He gives her a lift to the airport.
Mm-hmm. What do you think? Is it good to um travel for free?
Mm, I I think sometimes we can go for free, but not always.
Yes, not always. So sometimes we paid money and sometimes we go to a place for free. Okay, thank you so much, Tutwi. You read very well in English. That's good to hear. Ooh, conversation. Okay, now can you please read it for me, Tutwi?
Timmy visited Sia Siawan to go to his summer camp that is picking up Siawan at the airport.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's have a conversation. Tutwi is the little boy, and
Mm,
I am
um,
the father. Okay,
uh,
okay, three, two, one, let's go.
Hi, Mr. Smith. Glad to see you again.
Hi, Shawang. Nice to see you again. Let's go. I'm giving you a lift to the summer camp. Okay, so meaning Shawang will go to summer camp
Free.
for free. Mr. Smith give him a ride. Okay, it's your turn.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Where's Timmy?
He is with Fred and Mary at the campsite already. So meaning Timmy has friends.
Timmy? Huh?
Okay, there are um who is waiting for Timmy in the campsite?
Is Fred and Mary?
Yes, very good. Fred and Mary. Mm-hmm. Oh, so Timmy, Fred, and Mary are
Cousins.
there are cousins. Okay, so it's your turn.
I'm sorry, but who are Fred and Mary?
Oh, there are Timmy's cousins. Okay, next one. It's your turn.
Ah, I see. So Fred is your nephew and Mary is your niece, right?
Correct. They are my sister Sally's kids. So imagine I am Mr. Smith and Sally is my sister. So
Yeah.
Sally has a daughter and a son, which is Fred and Mary. So my
Mm.
niece is who is my niece?
Um, niece is Mary.
Very good. And my nephew is
Fred.
Fred. Very good, Tutwi. You get the family three correct. Okay, it's your turn.
So they must call you uncle.
Well, I am their uncle, but I prefer them to call me Nick. Okay. Mm,
Fufu.
okay. Oh, let's not answer this one. Let's have another one. Okay. Can you complete the sentences below?
Timmy and his dad, huh? Timmy and his dad go to the go to the campsite.
Very good. Timmy and his dad went to campsite. Very good. Number two.
Sam and his mom go to their house.
Okay, I think that is a house. So very good. You completed the sentence. Okay, very good. Now let's go with the next activity. Mm-hmm. Can you complete and role play? Okay. Can you try to answer the sentences in the right side? You are going to complete the sentence using the hints in the box. Okay, this one is the hint. Okay, can you try to answer Tuti?
This is a beautiful campsite. Thank you. Say thanks to your dad for give give we a lift.
Okay,
I
I'll
will tell
go
I will
go
tell
ahead.
him that I would like you to meet Fred and Mary. Hello there, nice to meet you. They are my cousins.
Okay, good job. You completed the sentences. Good job, Tutwi. And now let's see what is next. Okay, another one. Can you try to answer, Tutwi?
I see they are your dad's dad.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, dad. Mm, na dad
Na-
niece and nephew. Nephew.
okay, very good. You are correct. Okay, let me read the next sentence and then your turn. Okay? That's right. He's their uncle.
I'm very excited for this summer camp.
I'm sure we'll have a good time. Okay, very good, Tutwi. And now let's proceed. Oh, there are keywords. The keywords is in the left box and the sentence pattern is in the right box. Can you try? Oh, I think we are in the last part of our lesson. Congratulations, Tutwi. Okay, so the keywords you learned, can you please read?
Give a lift. I'm giving I am giving you a lift to the summer camp.
Okay, very good. What did you learn today, tonight?
I learned campsite, cousin, Northfield, and niece.
Okay, very good, Tutwi. You did a great job learning tonight. So, Tutwi can read English very well, can pronounce English very well, and can complete a sentence. So, good job, Tutwi. I am
Yeah,
very,
thank you.
very happy. Sorry. Okay, so let's end our class for tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop sharing screen. Oh, can I ask you a favor? Can we take a picture?
What? Can you say again?
Can we take a picture together?
Your ticket.
Picture.
Um. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So, smile. Three, two, one, smile. Okay, can you do this? This one. Okay, three, two, one, smile. Okay, thank you so much, Tutwi. I have so
Yeah.
much fun learning with you tonight. See you again
Yeah.
next time. Bye
See
bye,
you again.
Tutwi. Good night.
Goodbye.